Okay, this is for all my Canadian friends. We're at the 2019 Forest River Dealer Expo, and this is actually a Canadian park model. It's a pretty good looking unit. They have a little bit different rules than the United States has. They can be a little bigger, but you don't see them with lofts because the lofts count as square footage. So this is the 2020 Quailridge, Canada, and it's full of people. So we're gonna meet some people while we're looking.
You tell me when I gotta get.
No, I can.
You're on candid camera.
Hi there.
Just looking around. Yeah, Quailridge, Canada. It's a beauty. Oh my gosh.
Okay, you tell.
Nice sofa. Looks pretty cozy.
It is. It is.
All right.
All right. When do you think they can? Yeah, I don't.
Oh, hall closet.
4 feet of snow. So you can get it there for 15th of November.
Oh man, nice bathroom. Check this baby out. Dual shower heads. I could live in this. No problem. Another hall closet. Prep for washer dryer. Wow.
And I don't, and again, I don't mind paying for it then. If it's 4 feet of snow, you can't get it there over 7 or 4 feet of snow. I don't mind paying for it.
Cool. Yeah, these Canadian units are allowed to be bigger. I gotta see the closet here. Locked out. Well, it was a closet. Oh, you know what? It's locked for shipping. Oh well, that's okay. House type rear entry door, room for a major TV. Check out that wardrobe. I mean, that's second to none.
Well, last year we had, I came home and I could have stayed away another 3 weeks.
Cold and rain.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.